All right, hello FireTech 103 students. This is your weekly announcement video for the week beginning Sunday, June 29th. Okay, for this week, I do have to get caught up on some grading. I do want to let you know that there's several of you that need to go back and look at the instructions on the meet and greet. Remember, the meet and greet asked for your submission and then responding to 2 of your fellow classmates. So if you don't have a grade, then you have not completed that assignment. And at some point, you're only going to get partial credit if you don't complete the actual assignment. Okay, I will finish grading up your chapter 2 and chapter 3 case studies and review questions tomorrow. I'll have those done and posted. So I appreciate your patience on that. As far as the questions go, everybody's doing a pretty good job of answering the questions. Remember the format. You restate the question and give your answer and a justification. Okay, so if you're not restating the question and following the instructions, you'll get feedback that tells you so. All right, so make sure that you're doing that. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look at the modules here, and we'll go through. So course information module 1 was week 1. Week 2 was module 2 and 3. And then this week, week 3, we're doing module 4 and module 5. So safety program development and management. And as you can see, we have the chapter quiz. And then we're going to have video quizzes on fire department standard operating procedures and protocols. So developing those, what they are, how we do those, and then what is an incident action plan. Okay, so incident action plans can be written. They don't always have to be on smaller incidents. You're not writing out a full incident action plan. Those structure fires that take just a few minutes to get out, the room and content fires, the bedroom fires, your single house fires that aren't going into multiple operational periods, but if you are in an operational period is depending on the incident and who is running the incident. Could be a 12-hour work period or a 24-hour work period. So when you start to get into the larger wildfires, depending on who's running it, you'll get into 12 and 24-hour operational periods, and you'll get an incident action plan for every operational period. Right? So we'll have a video quiz on that. And then for module 4, we have the case study and the review questions, and then very similar for module 5, which is pre-incident safety. What are we doing to prepare ourselves ahead of time? We have the chapter 5 quiz, pre-incident plan. What does that mean? What is it? And then I added in firefighter fitness and wellness. I added in a video quiz there because I think that's important on how you maintain yourself physically and mentally in order to do the job. Okay. And then there again, you have the chapter 5 case studies and the chapter 5 review questions. So that's it for this week, and we're moving right along. Just want to let everybody know that if the Pronto app is not working for me, I'm going to have to contact the college and get a little assistant there, or contact Pronto to get some assistance, but it's not working. So if you're sending messages via Pronto, I'm not getting them. So please, if you have anything that you need from me, go ahead and send me an email on it. All right. So that's it. All the grades will be caught up tomorrow, and then we're moving right along. So we're almost halfway done. So that's that. Just hope everybody has a good week. It's a short week for most people because we have the 4th of July holiday. So I hope everybody has a great 4th of July and gets an opportunity to spend some time with family. And again, if you need to contact me, please do it via email. Thank you.